Here is something you can try on your next long drive, especially over highways. Conditions apply. If you take a video on a straight road while your vehicle is going at a constant speed and zoom in, it creates an illusion that everything is slowing down. This effect occurs because the zooming action compresses the visual information, making it appear as though the surrounding scenery is moving slower relative to the frame of reference. This is because the magnification exaggerates the apparent distance between you and the objects in the distance, making their motion seem slower. Our brains interpret motion based on visual cues, such as the apparent speed of objects relative to their surroundings. When you zoom in while driving, the relative motion between objects changes, leading to the illusion that everything is slowing down. The physics behind this illusion involves the manipulation of perspective and relative motion, coupled with the way our brains interpret visual information, resulting in a perceived slowing down of motion despite maintaining a constant speed.